In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a product sold out on Shopify. Now, if we go to my store over here, we can see that silver studs are available for sale. To make this product sold out, we just head to our dashboard over here, click on products at the left side of the screen, then look for the product that you wish to make sold out. In my case, it's the silver studs, so we go ahead and click that, and scroll down until we find inventory. Then we change this value to 0. Once that's done, hit save. Then we go back to our store, give it a refresh. One more. Then, as you can see, there is now a sold out badge right here, and the buttons are no longer available for clicking. And that's about it. That's how you make a product sold out on Shopify. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.